But to get the ball rolling, here are 3 simple promotion methods. Target niche keywords.
No blog with hundreds of articles, no massive e-commerce store, no complicated services. What if all you needed was one page,
But to get the
a
ball
single,
rolling,
simple web page?
here are 3 simple promotion methods. Target niche keywords. Besides Sleep Calculator, you can write sleep is a very popular topic. Okay, so it gets a ton of traffic. But how does it actually make money? There are 2 primary ways. All right, let's not just talk theory. Let's look at a real-world example. The website we're going to analyze is called sleepcalculator.com. It does one thing. It calculates the best time for you to wake up based on sleep cycles. Super simple, right? But let's look at the numbers. I used a tool called SEMrush to analyze its traffic, and the results are pretty amazing. As you can see right here, this simple website gets 133,800 visitors every single month from organic search alone. That's over 100,000 people finding this site without the owner spending a dime on ads. And this isn't just limited to one country. It gets traffic from all over the world. We can see the United States brings in almost 26,000 visitors, Vietnam brings in nearly 8,000, and Germany almost 7,000. This shows that a simple tool can have massive global appeal. This is the power of a one-page utility website. You create something helpful, and people will find it. Okay, so it gets a ton of traffic, but how does it actually make money? There are 2 primary ways: Google AdSense and affiliate marketing. Let's do a conservative calculation. First, AdSense. This is where Google places ads on your site. For a utility website like this, a realistic RPM, or revenue per thousand views, is around $8. So if we take the monthly traffic of 133,800, divide it by 1,000, and multiply by $8, that's over $1,000 a month, just from ads. And that's a conservative estimate, but it gets better. Let's talk about affiliate marketing. A website about sleep is the perfect place to recommend sleep-related products. Think mattresses, pillows, sleep masks, or even sleep tracking apps. Let's focus just on the US traffic, which is about 25,800 visitors. Let's say a very small number, just 1% of those people click on an affiliate link for, let's say, a popular pillow. That's 258 clicks. Now, if just 2% of those people buy the pillow, and you get a $20 commission per sale, that's an extra $100 a month from just one affiliate product. Imagine adding a few more, a link to a mattress, a white noise machine, and so on. So when you add it all up, this simple one-page website has the potential to earn between $1,100 and $1,500 every single month. For a website you can build in one evening, that is incredible. So how do you get this traffic in the first place? The beauty of this site is that most of its traffic comes from SEO, or search engine optimization. People are actively searching for Sleep Calculator. But to get the ball rolling, here are 3 simple promotion methods. Target niche keywords. Besides Sleep Calculator, you can write a small blog post or FAQ section on the page targeting keywords like best time to wake up for productivity, or how to fix your sleep schedule. Pinterest. Create simple, attractive pins with titles like The Secret to a Perfect Night's Sleep that link back to your calculator. Pinterest is a visual search engine, and sleep is a very popular topic there. Reddit. Find communities or subreddits related to sleep, health, and self-improvement. Don't just spam your link. Engage in conversations and mention your tool when it's genuinely helpful. For example, If someone posts about feeling tired, you can reply, "I built a simple tool that might help you find the optimal time to wake up. You can check it out here." Now, you could go out and try to build this all from scratch, but I want to make this as easy as possible for you. That's why I've created a sleek, fast, and fully customizable one-page sleep calculator website for you. It has a clean design, it's mobile-friendly, and all the code is ready to go. You don't have to write a single line. In the description below, there's a link where you can download the entire website file. I've done all the hard work for you, so you can go from zero to launch in a single evening. Once you've downloaded the file, you just need a domain and hosting. I recommend Hostinger. It's super affordable and perfect for this kind of project. I'll show you how to get this live in under 5 minutes. Okay, the process is incredibly simple. Step 1, sign up for a Hostinger plan and claim your free domain name. Choose something catchy like myperfectsleep.com. Step 2, once you're in your dashboard, navigate to the file manager. This is where your website's files will live. Step 3, open the public HTML folder. If there's a default file in there, you can delete it. Then, simply click Upload and select the sleepcalculator.zip file that you downloaded from my link. Step 4, once uploaded, right-click the zip file and click Extract. This will unpack the website files, including the index.html file. Step 5, that's it. You're done. Just type your new domain extract. This will unpack the website files, load, and select. If there's a default file in there, you can delete it. Then, simply click Upload and select the sleepcalculator.zip file that you downloaded from my link. Step 4, once dashboard, navigate to the File Manager. This is where your website's files will live. Step 3, open the public HTML folder. If there's a default file in there, you can delete it. Then, simply click Upload and select the sleepcalculator.zip file that you downloaded from my link. Step 4, once uploaded, right-click the zip file and click Extract. This will unpack the website files, including the index.html file. Step 5, that's it. You're done. Just type your new domain name into your browser, and your website will be live for the entire world to see. From there, you can easily edit the text to add your AdSense code and affiliate links. And just like that, you have a fully functional, money-making website ready to go. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to build simple, profitable online businesses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.